Hey everybody. Well, we are at our final camp destination for the Big Haul 2021. We are currently at Tombigbee State Park here just outside of Tupelo, Mississippi. This is our very first time ever coming to this campground right here. And since it was on the route back home and it's a little less than 6 hours from home, I wanted to stop here for a day and just enjoy one last full day camping in a nice, peaceful, woodsy, area, which is what this is like. So here we are. We got the Kodiak set up right there, and we got in yesterday evening and got set up. We had us some dinner, and this morning I come out here and I cooked us some breakfast, and I got the monkey off the truck and took a little spin around the park just to check it out. This kind of place here is one of the reasons why I wanted to get the monkey. It's a fun little bike to be able to ride around places like this and explore and have some fun. And it's not a high speed limit, so you don't have to worry about people trying to blow you off the road or anything. And this being a Monday, it's pretty calm and quiet around here. There's not a lot of people here. So I enjoyed a little ride earlier this morning, and I thought I would go ahead and just kind of give you some kind of little tour of Tombigbee State Park since we're here. And Abby's inside the Kodiak right now doing some of her work. She's probably going to be busy all day today getting her work done, and I'm cooking us some meals and taking a couple rides on the bike there on the monkey. So that's what the plan is. I am going to cook some barbecue this evening. I've got the pit barrel set up over here, and I got us a chicken. I haven't done one of those in the entire trip, so I'm going to smoke us some chicken and have that for dinner, and just kind of enjoy the last day on our adventure here. This is a very beautiful place. It's very, very similar to Roosevelt State Park. Some of you guys might have seen, I think I've got 2 previous videos from Roosevelt State Park, which is a little further south, closer to Jackson, Mississippi. We've stayed there twice, and it's very similar to that. Very kind of hilly, woodsy. There's a lake over there. It's a man-made lake. They have a dam system. So this is one of those old school type campgrounds. The pads are a lot more narrow than they are today, but they give you plenty of space around and behind the campsites. So we have our area right back here. You got the old picnic tables formed with concrete. They have barbecue pits here for each campsite to be able to use. Some of the sites, the hanging out areas behind the pad. But this is a nice place. There was a couple other people here that left this morning, and you can see the other side of the park over there. The campground is actually, there's more people over there. That's where your other campers are at. So we've kind of got this side of the loop kind of to ourselves, even though there is somebody right there, but they are apparently gone because there hasn't been anybody there since we've been here. So anyway, I want to put the cameras on the monkey and take another spin around and kind of show you what it looks like here. It's not really a huge big deal, but it's just something fun to do, take the monkey out and ride it around. I will say there are quite a few hiking and mountain bike trails here. I stopped and looked at the map, and there is quite an extensive mountain bike trail system through this park right here, with a map there that's showing you where to go. Apparently they have gatherings here. They have events where people come out and ride their mountain bikes through the trails. It kind of goes all around the lake here. All right, so I'm looking forward to this evening, getting out here and doing some barbecue. I'm telling you, just kind of kick back and relax a little bit. Even though Abby's inside doing some work, but it is a Monday and she had some projects land on her lap that she needed to work on. So that's what she's going to be doing today. And I'm going to cook her some dinner out here later on. We will hang our chicken in the pit barrel, smoke it, probably make some potatoes for a side, maybe some mac and cheese. Not sure yet, but that's about it. This is our campsite right here. We had us a little fire last night. I still got a little bit of firewood left over in the truck, and we're gonna have us another fire this evening while we enjoy our dinner. So let's go take a spin and check out the campground. Well, they don't want you coming back here beyond that point, I guess, so we'll head back around to the front of the park. One of the big group pavilions here. They got several like this throughout the park. They got a nice dock out here you can come fish off of. There's another boat launch further down. We'll go down there to that end. I got this little area over here. So they do offer a lot of places for people to come out and enjoy the day and picnic. I actually really like these barbecue pits like this style right here. I've got an idea on building one like this in the future for not only cooking over a fire like that, but actually to be able to have a place to use the camp ovens outside. So I took a couple pictures of these because I like these styles. That's the gatehouse. It's a pretty nice spot right here. And we're out here to the State Park Road. And there's the entry sign. Let's go down the State Park Road a little ways. It's a pretty fun little drive. It just wraps around the backside of the park. All right, so this is the end. You see, you got another sign right there. going into the state park property. Well, how's it look?
It looks amazing. Would you like some too?
I would. I would like some. That big scoop right there. How about that?
Yum.
Looking good. We're gonna have our breakfast now.
Is that how you want it?
It looks good.
Oh, no.
Oh, one got away. It's all right. Butter.
Yep.
Just put that one right on top there. Oh, there you go. Nice. All right, let's let that butter melt down. We should be good to go here pretty soon. I love the Crocs too. Now I'm doing a video.
Okay.
I'm gonna zoom in past you.
Uh-huh.
and see all of this madness happening over here.
I'm just gonna cook this and
We're just trying to enjoy ourselves over here.
we chose this spot because we thought it was gonna be really quiet.
Apparently not.